Voldam. Welcome to the world of Voldam exhaust fans, solutions to help you breathe easier. The largest variety of innovative European design exhaust fans. The Voldam brand is being recommended by principal architects, interior designers, and consultants. Standard wall and glass exhaust fan, ultra-thin panel exhaust fan, slim, unique and stylish exhaust fan, full plastic grille square exhaust fan, automatic shutter exhaust fan, fabulous, unique and stylish, designer's first choice, super quiet ceiling exhaust fan, built-in LED lights. Contemporary architectural design super quiet ceiling exhaust fan. Interior designer's first choice, diamond cut design exhaust fan. European design exhaust fan. Acrylic panel colourful exhaust fan to match with your interior. Centrifugal extractor fan for the kitchen. Durable, reliable, efficient and easy to install. Voldam exhaust fan comes with back shutter. The shutter is specially designed to protect your place from flies, mosquitoes, bugs, spiders, insects and, most importantly, outside dust. 100% pure copper motor for long life. Original Japanese ball bearing motor. 2 years warranty. Voldam. www.voldam.com.pk